Welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of makeup and skincare during pregnancy. The journey to motherhood is a special time, and taking care of yourself while looking and feeling beautiful is essential. However, there are some important considerations to keep in mind to ensure the safety and well-being of both you and your little one. So, let's explore the do's and don'ts of using cosmetics and skincare products during pregnancy. During pregnancy, it's crucial to be mindful of the products you use on your skin. Opt for makeup and skincare products that are free from harmful chemicals like parabens, phthalates, and formaldehyde. Look for labels that indicate non-toxic or pregnancy-safe to ensure you are making the best choices for you and your baby's health. Reading product labels becomes even more critical during pregnancy. Avoid products that contain retinoids, salicylic acid, and high levels of vitamin A, as they can potentially harm your developing baby. Instead, seek natural and organic alternatives with gentle ingredients that cater to the needs of your changing skin. A consistent skincare routine is essential for maintaining healthy and glowing skin during pregnancy. Cleanse your face with a mild and gentle cleanser twice daily to remove impurities. Follow up with a moisturizer that is suitable for your skin type, ensuring it is free from harmful additives. Embracing makeup during pregnancy can make you feel confident and beautiful. However, keep it simple and minimal. Opt for lightweight foundations or tinted moisturizers to even out your skin tone, and choose cream-based blushes and highlighters for a natural glow. Remember, less is more during this sensitive time. Eye makeup is a wonderful way to accentuate your features. When using eyeliner and mascara, opt for water-resistant and smudge-proof formulas to avoid irritation and discomfort. Remember to remove eye makeup gently using a mild, oil-free makeup remover. Nail care can be a relaxing and enjoyable part of your beauty routine. Choose pregnancy-safe nail polishes that are free from harsh chemicals like formaldehyde, toluene, and dibutyl phthalate. If you prefer, treat yourself to a professional manicure using non-toxic nail products. Pregnancy is a time to cherish, and self-care plays a significant role in embracing this beautiful journey. When it comes to makeup and skincare, prioritize products that are gentle, non-toxic, and free from harmful chemicals. Remember, what you put on your skin can affect both you and your baby. So, choose wisely and enjoy this radiant phase of your life. Stay beautiful, inside and out. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Wishing all the expectant mothers out there a safe and joyous pregnancy. Until next time, take care and be well. Goodbye.